So let's do the fitting for the rear top box rack. So this top box rack costed me around 800 rupees, 7 to 800 rupees. So pretty straightforward fit. The rear rack goes into the screws which already are there for the existing mount. So the rear handle mount, the same screws goes and fits in the same groove of the existing, but a pretty sturdy fix. So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel, and here is where the top box and also the rear rack for the Dominar, this is how the fitting goes. So this one is the Himalayan rack, but made for Dominar. I'll leave the links for this product in the description notes. So this is exclusively fitting done for Dominar, and the top box is of studs and they fit like this. The hinge goes like this. The threads or the screws which is given by studs is not of the right length, so you need to take almost an inch of a screw, and this is how it fits. So there is no plate as such, it directly bolts to the rear rack. So that's how the fitting is, and this is the quality of the studs top box. So I'll open it up and show. So to open it, you have to take it out from the clip, and you get a rubber pad and also a side cushion just to make sure that it doesn't rattle inside. Clip it like this and then lock it. So this is how the top box is placed. So I believe this is 13 liter or 15 liter. I'll leave the links to the product in the description note. And this is the knuckle guard which I've put. Yes, this had some challenges, but yeah, it finally fit through. So the clip which goes to the handlebar goes from within, so from the inside it gets mounted. And also when you're putting the knuckle guard, it is placed outside the bar end weight, so that's how it should be mounted. But all in all, it's a good fit, and the rear handle is very flat, and hence it goes inside this. But the top rack has enough spacing, so what I did was I put some kind of insulation so that it doesn't look bad, and also there's no hole as such where water can seep through, so hence I covered it up. So this is how the top box looks from this angle, from this side. The knuckle guard is from this side, the front fairing from this side, and this is how the bike looks from the front with the knuckle guards. So just make sure that you are placing all the wires appropriately before you hook the knuckle guard, so that also is important.